Hello guys, welcome to this episode. Today we will be unboxing the 66,000 new age power bank. Yes, this new age power bank is sold for 65,000 naira on new age official website, and it's also going for the sum of 75,000 naira and 78,000 naira on Jumia, and going for 73,000 naira in Conga. But I was able to get this in a local phone dealer not far from where I stay, and I got it for the sum of 70,000 naira. And also, mind you, the new age website, they charge extra 3,000 naira for shipping, so about 8,000 naira. I just say, come on, since I'm based in Abuja and I can't because of 2,000 naira and start shipping from Lagos, I just bought it for the 70,000 naira, which is still so very good. So you know how Nigerian light is, our electricity is bad. So I'm going to be unboxing this here with us, and let's see what is inside this power bank and what it comes with. So guys, join me as we unbox it together. Whoop. Whoop. See, it's a brand new baby. Okay, we're supposed to do this first, I guess. No baby. Look at this. Sorry guys, okay, sorry guys. Hey, get up. It's wrong. Hey, let's get this one first, guys. Eat it up. Let's try this one, but this is really strong. Oh, shares under was safe. Here it is. Oh guys, I love the packaging. Packaging, I give it a 10/10. But this charger will not charge this baby. And here it comes with a handle, and here is the beast, our 66,000 mAh power bank. Comes with type C for in and output, which means you can charge it fast with type C. Also come with type C for USB for out and USB for out too. So guys, here it is. I saw this handle, this back. Okay, here it is. Okay, see, so that's the problem. Can easily use super glue for that, I believe. But let's see how it is. This is my first time buying a new age. I always use Ariamo, but Ariamo these days are lost its quality, unlike before. So here is the capacity. Model Turbo Ultra 6, 60,000, 3.5 voltage, 244.2. So here it is. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let us know if you like more of this video, and we'll unbox it. Yeah, thank you, and have a lovely day. Wow, I love this. Love how this was packaged. Bye bye. Subscribe.